Good morning and namaskar everyone present today. Respected principals, vice principal, coordinators, teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friends. It's me Sandesh Adhikari from grade 9A3 to deliver today's news. Let's start with national news. In Nepal, report states that news reporters face more threats and attacks this past year. Also, the government made a new plan to help Nepalis living in other countries invest their money back home. Now let's start with international news. Around the world, millions of people looked up to watch the solar eclipse turn day into night. At the same time, people can see a bright meteor shower and 6 planets shining together in the night sky. Today's thought of the day is mistakes are proof that you are trying. Today's word of the day is efficiency. EFFICIACY. It means how well something works to get the job done. Now let's move on with the forecast. Today's maximum temperature is 28 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. Thank you and have a nice day.